Hello everyone, I am explaining you the program of stack operation. So stack is a linear data structure in which insertion and deletion both will take place from only one end. That end is called as top of the stack. So here we are doing different operations like push, pop and display operation of the stack. For that, in the first two lines we have included header files. We have defined a variable max 5 globally. After that, three operations which we are going to perform, that is void push, void pop and void display, we have declared here. And global variables are declared like integer stack of max, that means stack of size 5, top equal to -1, we have initially set the value of top is equal to -1, and some other variables like item, I and ch. So your program start with integer main while 1. So it is a menu driven program, and for that you require this while loop. So while 1 we have to print push, pop, display and exit. These are the menus for the program, and after that you have to ask the user about enter your choice. So user will enter your choice, you have to scan that choice, and as per the choice you have to run the operation. So these operations will we have to put in the switch cases. So case 1 is for push, case 2 is for pop, case 3 is for display, and last case 4 is for exit. So 4 options we have to give to the user. It will give you the choice that the user has to do push, pop, display or exit. So as per the number which we have entered by the user, you have to run that operation. The default is that means if the number is not between 1 to 4, you have to display that error message. So how to implement? Now after completion of that main program, we have to define those functions. So here we have defined the void push function on statement number 31. So void push, here in push operation, first of all we have to check the stack is full or not. For that, if top equal to max -1, stack is full, we have to print. Else if the top is not equal to max -1, that means if the stack is not full, then we have to insert the element. So push operation basically inserts an element into the stack. We have to first check the limits for the stack. If the top equal to max -1, that means if the top is at its highest position, then we cannot insert the element. So for that you have to just print that stack is full. You have to just print that stack is full, and then else part, if the stack is not full, we have to enter the element. So for that we have to ask the user to enter the element. So ampersand item, that means we have to enter the element from the user. You have to then increase the top to the next level, top equal to top plus 1, then stack of top equal to item. We have to set that new item as a stack of top. So we have to insert that item at the top position, newly created top position. Second operation is the pop operation, that means to delete the element from the stack. For that, second operation is the delete operation. Here we have to delete the element from the stack. So for that we have to first check if the stack is empty or not. So the condition for that is if top equal to -1, that means stack is empty. If the stack is not empty, then we have to delete the element. We have stored that element which we want to delete in one variable, that is item. Then top equal to top -1, we are just decreasing the top by 1. And if you want to show the item to be deleted, then popped item we can show. Okay, so if you don't want to show that item, and you can skip these statements on 55 and 56. Okay, after that display operation, if you want to display the elements of the stack, again we have to check if the stack is empty. Same condition we have to apply. If top equal to -1, the stack is empty. In the else part, if stack is not empty, we have to show the elements. So from top to the bottom, or you can say from 0 to top, you can also show the elements. You can reverse this for loop also, and it will show you the elements of the stack. If you run this program, it will ask you what operation you have to perform: push, pop, display, or exit. So I am inserting 1 to insert an element. So inserted element is say 11. I have inserted. Again I am inserting the second element, that is 22. I am inserting the third element, that is 33. I am inserting the fourth element, 44. Inserting the fifth element as 55. So I have already inserted, and now if I say 1 again, that means if I want to push the element again, it will show you the stack is full. So you can see here, when I inserted 1 again, already I have inserted 5 elements, so stack limit is crossed. And then if you want to insert one more element, so it will show you the message stack is full. Okay, now I will delete the element. So if I am not inserting the element, I will delete the element. So 2 I pressed, I have inserted the choice 2 to delete the element. So popped item is 55. So you can see here, if I say, you can see here, if I say 3, if I want to display the elements, so these are the elements which are remain in the stack: 44, 33, 22, 11. Already we have deleted the 55. So if I am again saying that if I am inserting the element and that element is 55, so it will show you the elements after pressing the 3. So these are the elements. It will show you the elements from the top to the bottom. So from top to the 0th position, it will show you the element. Okay, if you want to delete the elements, you can delete the elements. So again, if you enter the choice 2 for 5 times, all the elements get deleted. And if I have again inserted the element choice 2, it will show you the stack is empty, because if the stack is empty, we cannot delete the element. So if you say 3, that means display the elements, again it will show you that stack is empty. So this is your program. After pressing 4, you can exit from the program directly. So this is your program.